back in the Amazon jungle with Backpacking with Lydia. Today I wanted to say, like, we're doing almost everything, so use these videos. Like I say, I've got the link for our tour guide underneath. He does private tours and they work out a lot better for you. You can pick and choose, like we're doing 5 days, so you can do 3 days are normal, you can do up to 5 or 6 days, and so you can also pick your itinerary and make a plan of the things that are important to you. The other thing that I would say is be open to change. So our plans have changed quite regularly and we talk every day about the activities. So this is a jungle thing as well. This maybe isn't something that would happen in Europe, but just be aware of that when you come here and do tours.
Hi, I'm Lydia. This is my mommy. And we are Backpacking with Lydia.
We're on a journey around the world, but where will we go next? Subscribe and follow our journey. We might even surprise you as much as we've surprised ourselves. Going to look for monkeys now. They have certain types of monkeys. I just wanted to tell you they don't have gorillas, because I didn't know that until a few days ago. I thought the Amazon did have gorillas and they don't have it, just in Africa. So we'll see how this goes. I also wanted to tell you that there are just 2 seasons in the Amazon. So there's the dry season and then there's the wet season. And if you want to do a lot more walking around, rather than, we have to do a lot of things still on the boat, so or the canoe even. So if you came here like October to maybe January, you'd be able to do a lot more walking in the forest, which you still can't do yet because the water's dropped about 2 meters. However, it's still covering a lot of the forest that you would normally be able to walk through in the dry season. So that is something to consider. So we'll see you if we find any monkeys. There are recommended areas to go and look for animals. However, these tours are observing nature itself, so you're not guaranteed to see any animals at all. We found 2 sloths, however it's a lot harder to find these animals during the wet season. You will visit a number of destinations in search for these animals.
It's a male. This is Mary. You have to suck it. It's so sweet. Lydia, ¿te gusta?
Sí.
Just take these from the tray. Lydia really likes them. What are they called, Gilmar?
Bakuri.
Bakuri.
Call it bakuri, it's a local name from the jungle. Call it bakuri. You can use for make a juice also.
And they're like, you eat them like you would eat granola. No.
Yeah.
Granola, no. What is it called? Graviola.
Pachati.
They have seeds and then you suck the seeds that have like something around them. Like this. You have to take the outside off. And then it has like 3 seeds and you put the stuff. It's really, really nice, sweet.
So after looking for the sloth, we decided to go and look for some pink dolphins.
You see the dolphin? There. Oh. Okay, the crazy ones jump in. Lydia wants to jump into the Amazon River with the 2 crazy nutters that have just jumped in. I might let her, but there is no way I'm doing that. So just to let you know, I am a land animal and I only go into transparent water. But this is an option for you. So we've actually come here to look for dolphins, but this is an option as well. This is an option. So just so you know. Oh.
Se eu baixar pouco e abrir o olho, eu vejo alguma coisa?
Vê, se vem algum... No, I don't push you.
No, no one gonna push anyone. Because you are
No,
brave
I'm
enough.
not crazy guy.
Oh my gosh. I feel like a nutter. Oh, I can't feel the...
Tranquilo.
Espera. Oh. Yay!
Tranquilo.
Oh.
You see? Tranquilo.
Oh.
Tranquilo.
Oh, Dios mío.
Tranquilo.
Now you need to take your hands.
Yeah, I can...
No.
Yeah, you
Pega
can
tempo.
float. Try to float.
Yeah.
Lydia. Whatever.
Okay.
Oh, Dios mío. Es negro, no puedo ver. After a very quick dip, we made our way back to the lodge. We're all alone on the last night, there's no one else here. Join us next week for our final tour, which will be in Rio Negro.